Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. And today we're going to make this really pretty, it can be a gift bow or a wreath bow, so let's get started. I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and I just fold it in half so I know that I'll have enough to tuck underneath my Bowdabra so it stays out of the way. So I'm just going to lay this down, tuck it underneath, and then I'm going to take my black burlap or jute ribbon, and it's a really nice wired jute that you can purchase at bowdabra.com, and I'm going to lay this down in here and then take my gingham and lay this in here, and then take this gingham here and lay that down. So I have all these tails, and then I'm going to take my picks and I'm just going to lay these in here and take this pick and lay that in here. So this is like a nice bow for even like you can use this as a centerpiece bow or a really pretty gift bow for the holidays or really any time of year. So now I'm going to take these two ribbons here. We're just going to fold them back and forth and fold this over here, twist, and then lay this one down here so I have all my loops. And then I'm going to take my 1.5 inch jute and we're just going to twist it, fold it back. And I love this ribbon because it is a wired and very heavy duty. So we'll just fold and twist and fold and twist. And then I will take my gingham check, and again, this is a really pretty wired ribbon. We're just going to fold it and fold and twist. And then I'll take my Bowdabra wand and just scrunch everything down and take my wire, bring it up, pull it through the slip knot, which is why we always fold our Bowdabra wire in half. Pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, so that way when I pull it out, I'm not struggling with my bow. I'm just gonna pull it really tight, bring it around to the back, and tie it off. And before I totally knot it, I'm just going to kind of shape out my bow a little bit, and then now I will knot my bow. And I love the wire because it's very strong, and once you shape your bow, you have this absolutely gorgeous wreath bow or table setting bow.